Hi guys, I'd just like to begin this video with a message for the young divers and sports people out there. It's important to have fun when you train. If there's music, have a dance. If someone makes a mistake, have a laugh. But make sure you give others the appreciation they deserve. Because eventually you will mess up too. Also, make sure you concentrate because too much fun can make you look silly, like Matty. So a new week begins in the life of a Jamaican diver. Where am I off to? The pool. The same old place as usual.
Watch your check.
They say I should be coughing. I'm about to turn it up. She wanna party with a real. She wanna party with a real. Try to party with a real.
If you've been watching my videos, you'll have seen that I've been, working hard in pre-season and just kind of getting ready for what is to come this year. Coming up, competition season will be starting fairly soon. I have just booked my flights and booked my whole trip for my first competition. This is kind of the positives of representing Jamaica. I basically go to competitions which suit me. For the British divers, they obviously have to go through selection protocols. They have to achieve a certain level of training and competition and scores before they get picked to go to competitions. For me, I basically pick and choose whichever competition I want to go to, whichever one suits me the best. So, as our coach from Leeds, AD, has gone out to Australia, since he's been out there, he's been begging me to come out and do a training camp or come to the competition in November. I finally decided to do that, so I get to go to Brisbane for about a week, train with AD in Brisbane, which is where he's based, and then go down to the Gold Coast and compete there. The Commonwealth Games next year will be in the exact same pool where I'll be competing in November, so I can get some good experience in that pool. And also, as it's an outdoor pool, as I've said many times before, outdoor is very, very different to indoor diving, so it'll be good to kind of get some more experience diving outdoor again, because I haven't dived outdoors since the Olympics last year. Also, in preparation for said competition in November, I will be going out to Miami in 3 weeks time for a training camp. Well, actually 3 weeks time now. By the time I post this video, it'll be like 2 weeks. I'll be going out to Miami for a little training camp. All the British divers that I train with are going to be going out to Tallahassee in Florida for a training camp of their own. And whilst they're out there, I've decided to go to Miami, where I've been a few times before. I went there for the pre-camp before the World Cup, and I also went there before the Olympic Games for a few days. And the coaches there know me really, really well. And it'll be good to get some more training experience outdoor. By that time I should be doing some of my competition dives, which I haven't quite got yet. I've still been working on the basics quite a lot so far this pre-season, but by the time I go out to Miami, I should have my competition dives up on 3 meters. There'll be a couple dives in there that I haven't actually done outdoor yet, so that'll be interesting to see how that goes. These situations, aka my travels, are one of the many perks of representing Jamaica and diving for Jamaica, because for one, either I get to go to a cool location which I've probably never been before, I'll probably never go to if it wasn't for diving, and two, if I'm ever diving outdoor, because outdoor diving is so difficult, the conditions have to be good ideally, so for the majority of the time it'll be in a warm country, a very nice country, and I'll get a lot of sun, which I don't get much of here in England.
Bye, Francis.